Welcome guys, this is OPTIMER FS. I want to review to you a strategy you can use to grow that your small account, that your $50 account, that your $100 account, $200 account. I want to review to you a strategy you can use to turn it to thousands of dollars without blowing it again. If you have been blowing small accounts, I want to review to you a strategy you can use to grow that small account to thousands of dollars. Do you understand? I want to review to you this video. I made it especially for small account traders. I want to review to you a strategy you can use to grow that small account to thousands of dollars without blowing it again. Now, this is volatility 51x index. This is what volatility 51x index. The time frame is 4 hour. The time frame is 4 hour. Do you understand? The indicator is ADX. ADS. The period of the ADS is 30. Period of the ADS is what? 30. Do you understand? Look at the settings first of all. This is ADS. Period is 30. Do you understand? Now back to the charts. Now, first of all, this is what I want you to do. This is what I want you to do. Do you understand? From the this is a crossing here. This is crossing here. Look at here. This is a crossing that show us a sell. Look at this point. This point now show us a sell signal because the red line crosses above the green line, which is what? Sell signal. Do you understand? Now, if you are small account holder, what I want you to do here now is not to enter the market immediately. Do you understand? If you are small account holder, what I want to show you now, do not enter immediately. If you are trading small account, if you are trading $50 account, $100 account, $200 account, do not enter immediately. Then if you are trading amount like 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, you can enter immediately. Do you understand? But if you are a small account trader, do not enter immediately. Follow what I will show you right now. Follow what I will show you right now. Now, whenever you identify the sell signal or buy signal, in this case now, in the course of this video, this is a what? A sell signal. This point here is a what? A sell signal. Now, I want to show you what you will do if you are a small account holder. Do you understand? The time frame here now is 4 hours. Now, this is what I want you to do. Once you identify this signal, just go back to 15 minutes time frame. Do you understand? 15 minutes what? Time frame. You know, we are on sell signal. Do you understand? Now, go back to what? 15 minutes time frame. Now, here is what? 15 minutes time frame. Let's locate the point where we mark out in 4 hour time frame. Let's look at now. Look at the vertical line and what? And 4 hour time frame. Do you understand? That shows that this particular point here is what? Where the sell signal occur in 4 hour time frame. Now, what I want you to do when you switch to the what? To 15 minutes time frame, you will trade in the direction to what? To 4 hour time frame signal. 4 hour time frame show us sell signal. Do you understand? Now, when you come down to 15 minutes time frame, you only trade sell signal only. Do you understand? Now, watch here. This is what? A sell signal here. This is what? A sell signal. Once you switch to 15 minutes time frame, you only focus on sell signals in 15 minutes time frame. Do you understand? Do you understand? Now, once you see this crossing, don't enter until you see this what? Sell signal. That is what? The crossing. Look at it, trace it up in 15 minutes time frame. This is where you need to enter. Do you understand? This is where what? You need to enter in 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame, this is where you need to enter here. Do you understand? This is where you need to enter. Do you understand? Now, when you enter here, You see that the market moves smoothly. Do you understand? Now, the reason for this particular strategy is for you to be able to avoid this pullback. Look at this pullback. Look at this pullback. You see this pullback without coming down to 15 minutes time frame. Let me mark it out for you. Let me mark it out. Without coming down to this 15 minutes time frame, you will not be able to notice this. Look at this. You see this drawback. Without coming to 15 minutes time frame, you will not be able to notice this. Now think of what will happen if you have entered in 4-hour time frame. If you have entered here and you see the market retracing do you understand? You become emotional. Do you understand? Because you don't want to blow your small account. You don't want to blow that $50 account. So once you mistakenly enter here in 4 hours, because in 4 hours you will not notice this retracement. Do you understand? So the essence of this strategy is for you to do what? To avoid making wrong entry, so that your small account do not blow. Do you understand? So that you don't blow that your small account. Do you understand? So this is strategy aimed at avoiding the retracement. Do you understand? Now, if you are a big account holder, your account can withstand this retracement. But if you are a small account holder, do you understand? $50, $100. Once you mistakenly enter here and you see the price retracing, do you understand? Fear will grab you. You might decide to end the market in loss. Do you understand? So that is it. Now, as you proceed, let's proceed. Don't enter here. Don't enter here. You see, enter where the sell signal occur immediately. Look at here. It's either you enter here or you enter here again. Do you understand? Now, by entering here again, you have succeeded avoiding this retracement. By entering here, now you see once you enter here, there's no pullback. Do you understand? Once you enter here, that your small account will not experience pullback. Do you understand? It will not experience this retracement. Now, look at what will happen. Just imagine what will happen if you have, now let's move. Just imagine what will happen if you have entered here in 4-hour time frame, because you will not notice. If you are in 4-hour time frame, you will not notice this. Do you understand? If you have entered here and you see the market retracing against you, do you understand? You might rush and close the market in loss. Do you understand? But with this strategy, do you understand? You will be able to avoid this retracement here and enter where you're supposed to enter. Do you understand? Now, with this strategy, this is normal place for you to enter. This is normal place for you to enter here. You enter here where the crossing occurs. So this is at the closing of this candle. Do you understand? You see, you have succeeded avoiding this retracement. You have succeeded avoiding this retracement. Do you understand? This is where you need to enter here. This is where you need to enter. Do you understand? Do you understand? So this is what a lot of gain for you. Do you understand? You see how you succeeded in avoiding these retracements. Do you understand? You see how you are avoiding this retracement. You can also avoid this particular retracement here. Do you understand? By entering here. If you enter here, look at it. If you enter here, you have avoided this retracement here. Do you understand? You have succeeded in avoiding this retracement. So if you are using $100 account, $50 account, $200 account, do you understand? With this strategy, you can build it, you can turn it to thousands of dollars without much pullback, without much drawdown. Do you understand? Do you understand? So look here now, look here. This is where you need to make your entry here. Look at it. We have succeeded avoiding this retracement here, this particular retracement. Do you understand? So this is strategy is meant for small account holder. If you are trading with $50, do you understand? If you are trading with $50, $100, $200, make use of this. Look at it. Now in 4 hour, the chart runs smoothly. Do you understand? It runs smoothly. So you will not be able to notice those pullback. Do you understand? So if you are using small account and you mistakenly enter where the pullback occur, you might end up blowing the account, or the fear will grab you so that it will lead you to closing the trade in loss. But with this, you will be able to manage that $50 account, grow it to thousands of dollars. Do you understand? Do you understand? My aim is to break down trading to layman understanding, so that everybody will make fortune trading forex. Do you understand? If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video. Do you understand? So that others will benefit. Thanks for watching.